welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do addition where we have two numbers, one number that's a single digit number and one number that's a double digit number. I know this might seem hard right now, but hopefully at the end of my video you'll be able to do these problems all by yourself. So let's get started. So first let's talk about what is a double digit number. If you have a number that's higher than 9, you're going to need something called extra place values. This shows us how many numbers are in the tens and how many are in the ones. When we know how many tens and ones we have, this is what helps us be able to add double digit numbers to any other number. So now that we know this, let's try an example. The problem that we're going to be starting with is 21 plus 4. When we're setting up our addition problems, we always want the higher number to be on top and the lower number on bottom. We also want to line up those place values that we talked about earlier, so we have the ones over the ones and the tens over the tens. That's why we have the ones in 21 over the ones in our single digit number. Now that we know how to set up our problem, let's start adding. Whenever we do addition, we always want to start in the ones place. So we're going to do 1 plus 4, which equals 5. So since we know that there are going to be 5 ones in this problem, we're going to write 5 underneath the ones. Now let's move on to adding the tens. We have 2 plus 0, which equals 2. So we're going to write 2 tens in the tens place. So now we know that 21 plus 4 equals 25 because we added all the ones and all the tens, and together it equals 25. Let's do another example. This problem is 17 plus 1. Remember, we always line up the place values in our addition problem. So we have the ones over the ones and the tens over the tens. And we always start in our addition in the ones place. So we're going to do 7 plus 1, which equals 8. So we're going to write 8 underneath the ones place. Now let's move on to the tens. We have 1 plus 0 equals 1. So we're going to write that 1 in the tens place. So now we know 17 plus 1 is 18. But what if we have a problem where the ones add up to higher than 9? So let's do an example with that here. The problem we're going to be doing is 37 plus 5. Remember again, we always line up the place values, so we have the ones and the ones and the tens and the tens. So we're going to start in the ones like always. We have 7 plus 5, which we know is 12. But, that's higher than 9. So what do we do? Well, we know that in the number 12 over here, the 2 in 12 shows how many ones there are. So, since this is the ones place, we're going to put how many ones are in that answer. So we're going to put the 2. But now that we have that extra 10, we know the tens always go in the tens place. So that 1 that we have over here, we're going to carry it all the way over to the tens and write it above the 3. That's called carrying the 1. So now let's add up the tens. We have 3 plus 0 is 3, but remember, we have that extra 10 that we carried over from the ones, so that would be 3 plus 1 is 4, which we're going to carry down to the tens place. So now we know that 37 plus 5 is 42. Let's do another example. Let's start off with our ones because that's where we always start in our addition. If we have 16 plus 5, let's go over to the ones, which means we have 6 plus 5. That's going to equal 11, but again, that's higher than 10. So we know that in 11, in the ones place, there is 1. So we're going to put that underneath the ones place. With that extra 10 that we have, remember we're going to carry it all the way over to the other tens place because it belongs in the tens place. Now we have 1 plus 0 is 1, plus that extra 10 is 2. So we're going to carry that 2 down into the tens place, which means that we know that 16 plus 5 equals 21. Hopefully that video helped explain to you how we do addition when we have that single digit number and a double digit number. I hope you guys had fun today, and I hope you guys do a great job on all those other math problems.
It's time to practice math. Hip hop math. Hip hop math.
Multiplying and dividing makes me glad.
Hip hop math. Hip hop math.
Multiplying and dividing, it makes me glad.